The role of CRM in customer retention and business growth. Imagine building a high-rise without the right tools. Wouldn't it be frustrating? Running an organization can feel the same way when you're juggling contact lists, event schedules, and donation records without a streamlined system. That's where CiviCRM comes in. It's like opening a well-organized toolbox. CiviCRM, an open-source, platform-agnostic constituent relationship management system, is tailored for nonprofit organizations. It was founded in 2004 by Dave Greenberg, Donald Lobo, and Michel Mock. Its mission is to empower organizations of any size with a customizable CRM that engages contacts and helps them achieve their goals. CiviCRM is like a well-stocked toolbox for startups and nonprofits, offering everything you need to manage contacts, email marketing, and analytics. It provides clear insights into your members, helping streamline communication and track every interaction. For nonprofits, CiviCRM is even more powerful. It handles fundraising, donation processing, volunteer tracking, and advocacy campaigns. It streamlines communication, enhances operations, and tracks engagement and performance in real time. CiviCRM offers significant tech flexibilities, free and open source. CiviCRM is an open source solution. It is free to download and install. Easy integration, integrates easily with CMS and accounting systems. Effortless setup, CiviCRM can be easily integrated into any existing infrastructure, requiring minimal AT team expertise for setup. Implementing CiviCRM is straightforward. Affordable hosting. It can be hosted through cost-effective options with minimal technical intervention, simplifying your organization's operations. CiviCRM is a powerful tool that helps nonprofits and emerging organizations thrive. Optimize your organization's workflow with Justo Global's expertise. Justo Global provides CRM solutions for emerging enterprises and nonprofits, utilizing open-source options like CiviCRM and proprietary systems like Salesforce and HubSpot. Justo Global can assist you in choosing the right CRM and provide the technical expertise you need. Contact us for a free consultation.